In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to play Fantasy Top. If you are among people farming MONAD airdrop, it is very important you farm or you play or you participate in the Fantasy Top game. The reason is because the Fantasy Top game, you'll be giving exclusive NFT for all those people playing the Fantasy Top game. And if you not participate, you won't get this NFT. You get so this NFT might be used as part of the requirement to become eligible for this airdrop. So it is very important you play this particular game, and I will show you guys how to play this particular game. It is quite easy. So to get to this page, first if you need to come to the official MONAD testnet page, which is this, right? Once you get there, you can see the part at the top. Just hit on play now. You do that, it's going to take you to this particular page, right? This particular page right here. So once you do that, what you need to do is for you to come to this page where you are seeing your profile. So hit on your profile, it's going to take you to this page and you'll be given cards get. So just claim your free card that you'll be given. And as you can see right on your screen, I have some cards right here. So it is these cards that I'll be using to play this particular game, you understand? So the card has rating, as you can see the hero score. This is an hero, this guy is a hero, this guy is a hero. So this is the hero score of the card. And this is the ratings of the card the last 7 days. And here it's supposed to be like the value of the card you get in MONAD. You understand? So, and also you can get cards. You can see that my portfolio is 1.9k F mode. I don't know what that is, but I have 7 F mode. Fragment mode, yes, fragment mode simply means with fragment mode you can buy more cards. Get the higher the ratings of your card, the tendency for you to actually win more of these particular games. You understand? So if you participate in any of the game, you'll be getting XP points. So, and also you can burn cards. Get you can burn any cards to get a rare card to get. Most of the cards are common, while some we have rare and stuff like that. So click on burn, you can burn cards to get what? To get common card. You can click 5 cards that are the same. I can select this and see right here. If I click on this, I will get more from better to burn this card. But right now, I'm not burning any of my cards, right? You get. So also you can come to this place that said shop. You get to buy cards. You get. So for you to buy this but one you need 100 fragments. Right now I have 29 fragments. I can't buy any of this one. You get. But once you join for the first time, you'll be given some fragments and you can use that fragments to buy any of this and get up and open it and you get cards. Understood? So right now we'll be clicking on competition. Then you can see there are different types of competition you can register on, and we starting in the next 2 days. You get. So we have the elite, the gold, the silver, bronze, and rivers. Since this is first time I'm playing this particular game, right, I'll be joining the rivers. You get. So if I click on register, I'm going to go to this page. For this river, you need to select 5 cards and log them in for 3 days to compete in this competition. So in rivers, the rarity decrease the score of the cards by its multiplier with score. I don't know what this means, but what you need in this to participate in this is that you need cards with total of 18 stars, and they need to have at least the card need to have at least one card that is rare, one card that is epic, one card that is legendary, and the others could be common card. Understood? So whatever, I'm just to click on register a card and just go select few cards that I can use to play this particular game, and they must be total they must have 18 stars. You get. So based on the ratings, I'm going to use this particular card. Then I'm going to you can see level 3. I'm going to use this particular card too. I'm going to put this card. I'm going to put this card and this card. So I'm going to put a card that's going to give me point like 18 stars. You get many like 4. I'm going to put a card that has number 4 ratings. You get. So I have to remove this particular one, right? This is 10. I'll put 10 plus 6. I'll put this is 16. I'll put this, that's 18. Then I'll click on save deck. So if I do this, I successfully register for this particular competition. You can see right here, this is my deck. So I've registered for this competition. What I need to do, you can click on register to register another card for this particular competition, but I've registered for it already. What I need to do is to click on go back, get, and register for this bronze. You get. So once you register your deck, you just have to leave it. You just have to leave it. After 2 days, the game will start, and your cards by the end of 3 days, you can come back to check the performance of your card. Understood? So for this, I need to select 5 cards to unlock them in for 3 days. So I could select all the cards could be common cards you get. So if you click on reward, you see what you'll be getting if you do this. Understand kind of the rankings and others. So right now, I'm going to tap on register. I'm going to tap on register a deck. So for most of you, I recommend you doing this bronze level because most new people doing this for the first time, your cards will certainly be all common. So you can join this particular one, right? So I'm going to put this right here. I'm going to put this, and sorry, let me go back. So I'm going to put this particular one. This is like 14, and so these other cards are not eligible. So most of my cards are not eligible to participate in it because this is 14. If I add 6, it will be more than 18 already. You get. So what I'll be simply doing is let me put okay, let me put 8 plus 7 is 15. I need a card that is 3, which is not here, right? I need to use that to just 5 cards. So I can't actually do this, right? I can't do this because most of the cards I have right here, if I add it, it's going to exceed 18. So I can't actually do this. Let me try 4, 5. This is 9. If I put 7, okay, this is 16 and card must be 5. So let me go back to competition and see if I can join the silver league. Good. So this I need to have a card that is maximum of 3 or whatever. I just want to do this. So the card total point should be 23, right? So input 8, input 7, this 15, and this 20. Oh, it has exceeded already, so I don't know what to do. 15 plus 5 should be 20. Okay. Total cards should be 5. So I don't know how to put it. This is 19 and there's no other cards. This is 3 as minimum card I could put here, which I don't have. So which limits I can't register for this. Now one 2. So guys you can see. Let me check this particular ones. So maximum of 25 rating. So guys, this is basically how you can actually play this particular game. It's very easy to play. Once you register your cards, you allow your cards to fight for you. You get so 4 and I don't know, maybe I'm not calculating it very well. That's why I can't. So I'm not that good at maths. So let me just see. This card gave me 8. So I need, if I put this is 12, and if I put this should be 15. Then I'm looking at, I can't get 25 because if I put this now, this will be 20, and if I can add this, if I put this is like 22. I can't another card. So it simply means I can't register for this too. I need to go and buy common card from me if I can do this. So let's just check. If I can't register for this, I'll just rest. So this, okay, I can just put this one. It does not like I can put any number of cards as you can see right here over infinity. Yes, I can put any number of cards. So I've registered for this plan and I've tapped on save deck. So right now I've registered for just 2 yet 2, which is what register for the elite and for this last one, which is river. So after 3 days I can come and view my decks and check the cards you get. So I can come check the cards, check my level and see my point. After 3 days you just click on your profile, you're going to see your point right here, you're going to see your level and you're going to see your deck on this particular place after 3 days. So guys, and you can simply check your performance on this place. You can see no issue because the first time I'm playing the game. So guys, basically this is how you can simply participate in this particular game. It is very easy, and it's important you do this. Once you participate in this game, from time to time you'll be given some NFT. You get, as you can see right, if you click on this, if I scroll right here, you're going to see that there are some NFT that they give to some people who participate in this particular game. You can see right here there are some NFT. Win fantasy top tournament for exclusive access to 20 whitelist NFT, which is very important. If I click on submit or magic it, I can't meet this particular NFT now because I did not participate in the fantasy top. But after the end of the next 3 days, I can still participate in it. You can see the NFT, they are just exclusive for those people who participated in this fantasy top. Like, let me go to launchpad and show you guys what I'm talking about. So if you check right here, I'm going to see right, they are even free to meet, but if you check, and let me connect my wallet. So guys, this is what I mean. You can see right here, this NFT is actually free to meet, but I can't meet it. You can see right. So if I click on this particular button, you can see your current wallet cannot meet during this stage. Why? Because I've not participated in the Fatansy top. You get, it is those users who participate in Fatansy top that can actually get this NFT. And the good thing is that if you participate in Fatansy top, you got this NFT, you can easily sell it at like 400 months, and that you get more MONAD Testnet tokens. You get, this is how most people do get Testnet tokens, because they come to this place, play Fatansy top. Once they get the testnet token, they come here and sell it. Okay, so let me show you guys. You can see right there, this particular NFT, you can see this says 50. The price of this particular NFT is 2.5k mods. You can see now there for 3 mods. If you can sell one of this particular NFT, you can actually get MONAD testnet token that you can use to complete all your transactions. So guys, it is very important you play this particular Fatansy top, and it is very easy to play. And if you have any question or you don't understand anything, you can just ask me in the comment section. Yes, but I believe with all what I've explained in this video, you should get an idea on how to play this particular game. So guys, this will be it in this video. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.